Hello everyone. Now let's start our new video. Queen. Now count with me. One queen. It's only one queen. Two apples. Now count with me. One, two apples. Good job. You are going good. Count three balls. One, two, three balls. Perfect. Count four cats. One, two, three, four. Four cats. Count five dogs. One, two, three, four, five. Five dogs. Count six elephants. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six elephants. Count seven fishes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven fishes. Good job. Count eight goats. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight goats. Count nine horses. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine horses. You are doing so great. Count with me 10 kites. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 kites. Perfect.